We'll build 4 layers, so I'm going to put 4 different whooshes in. So the first thing you'll see is that these are not the same length, so we'll make them the same length. So we need a 4 zone with the note trigger on.
Another advice for that is if you have a fade-in sound, it's kind of better to have about the same intensity on all layers, so you don't have one layer that is silent while another one is loud.
Once you've got it in there, then it becomes a much more interesting thing, because then you can use the trigger and move functionality.